Good morning, class. This morning we are going to learn some common Tokelauan words. Cool, eh? Are you ready? Let's start. Iyo means yes. Iyo, yes. Hēai means no. Hēai, no. Fakamolemole means please. Fakamolemole, please. Manuia means good night. Manuia good night. Manuia taeao means good morning. Manuia taeao, good morning. Mālō means hello. Mālō, hello. Fakafetai means thank you. Fakafetai, thank you. Moi means sleep. Moi, sleep. Hēai means come. How, come. Whānau means go. Whānau, go. Uma means finish. Uma, finish. Inu means drink. Inu, drink. Hēai means hungry. Hēai, hungry. Kai means eat. Kai, eat. Tohani means goodbye. Tohani, goodbye. Noho means sit. Noho, sit. Do means stand. Do, stand. Moenga means bed. Moenga, bed. Vili means run. Vili, run. Hauvali means walk. Hauvali, walk. Aloha means love. Aloha, love. Well done, class. Let's quickly learn some numbers. 1 means dahi. 2 means lua. 3 means tolu. 4 means ha. 5 means lima. 6 means ono. 7 means huitu. 8 means valu. 9 means iwa. And 10 means hehulu. Wow, you did amazing, class. That's the bell. See you all tomorrow.